You're listening to Sniper Marketing AI. Today we're talking about AI governance, how to bring AI and automation into your marketing without losing control of your brand or message. A lot of teams sit on the fence with AI. They see the speed and power, but they're nervous about risk. Off-brand copy, factual mistakes, tone issues, or privacy concerns. Those worries are real. The answer isn't avoiding AI. It's building smart guardrails so you can use it confidently. We start by drawing boundaries. Make a simple list of tasks where AI can act largely on its own and tasks where human review is mandatory. For example, AI might be free to help with internal reports, draft outlines, or suggest headlines. But any major public-facing content, emails, ads, pages, and scripts must go through a human editor. Next, define your brand and tone guidelines for AI. Feed examples of on-brand content into your workspace and explicitly tell the system your preferences, your voice, words you like, words you avoid, and the kind of claims you do and don't make. You're training AI to stay closer to your standards, not letting it freestyle. Approval workflows come next. Decide who reviews AI-generated content before it goes live and what they check for: accuracy, tone, compliance, and brand fit. You can use simple checklists and collaborative tools, so AI drafts move through a clear process instead of rogue publishing. For automation that touches customers, like first responses, follow-up messages, and support replies, set rules for escalate. AI can answer common, low-risk questions, but complex issues and emotional topics should go straight to humans. Make that line clear in your logic. At Sniper Marketing AI, we build governance into every AI project we run. We don't just plug tools in and hope for the best. We help clients set roles, permissions, review steps, and logs so there's transparency about what AI is doing and where humans are still in charge. The upside of governance isn't just safety, it's adoption. When leaders know there are guardrails, they're much more willing to let AI help their teams. Creatives and strategists feel supported, not replaced. Everyone can see where AI adds value without feeling like they're handing the brand to a machine. If you've been hesitating to adopt AI because of control concerns, governance is the missing layer. With clear rules, AI becomes a powerful ally instead of a risky wildcard. To build an AI governance and guardrail system with our team at Sniper Marketing AI, call 786-565-474. Visit hp/snipermarketing.ai. And for daily guidance on responsible AI adoption in marketing, follow at Sniper Marketing A wherever you spend time online.